What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can jailbreak the latest Unc0ver Jailbreak 15.3 Untethered. So you don't have to worry about it removing from your phone or anything like that because it's untethered, so that's great. And also this works on all devices, but you need to download a modified version of Unc0ver to make this work. So let's just go ahead and jump straight to it. So the first things you want to do is open up our settings and just scroll down and look for battery and just make sure that you've got the low power mode turned off, and then go back to settings again and look for privacy and just make sure you've got the location services turned off as well. You can always go back and change them and turn them back on if you choose to, but I highly doubt that you're using them anyway. So the next thing you want to do is open up your Safari browser and in the address bar just type in vipjailbreak.com. Really easy to remember. That's vipjailbreak.com. Really easy domain to remember to type. So what you want to do next is download the configuration profile, which will download your settings in order to actually access the modified version of Unc0ver. So go ahead and click on the jailbreak button and allow to download the configuration profile. Okay, so once we've done that, we can go back to settings and scroll up and we should see that it's downloaded. So open up the profile downloaded tab. And as we can see, this is downloaded, it's verified, and it's downloaded from the vipjailbreak.com, so all is correct. And what we want to do next is just install it to the phone. And that's that. So now what we need to do is go back to the phone, and as you can see, it's downloaded the Unc0ver, the modified Unc0ver. So we want to go ahead and open that up. And once we're inside, we can see that this is working compatible from 11.0 and up. So this is going to be working as of right now for pretty much every single jailbreak that's been released, including the current Unc0ver jailbreak for 15.3. And if by the time you're watching this video, if there's any other new updates, you may find that it's working for them as well. So the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on the jailbreak button. Now I've already verified the steps on my phone because you have to go through a verification process sometimes, but I've done that, and because I've done that, it should have downloaded straight to my phone. So let's go back to the phone and we should have Cydia downloaded. Okay, so we can see that we've now got the Cydia installed onto the phone automatically because I've already done the verification process, and we're just going to open it up. And once it's opened up, you can see inside it, you can search, you can get all your favourite apps and anything you like. I hope you enjoy the video, guys.